Hello, in this video I will guide you on how to create a shareable link for your photos in Google Drive. If you have photos saved on Google Drive and want to share them, creating a link is a quick way to do it. Let's start by opening Google Drive in your browser. So this is my Google Drive, and here Google Drive are open. So this is the Google Drive home page, and this photo is uploaded here. Once you are on Google Drive homepage, click on go to Drive and log in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. After logging in, find the folder that contains the photo you want to share. It could be in your photos folder. So this is my folder, and click on the photo you want to share to select it. So this is my photo and I select it. You can select one or more photos. Next, right click on the selected photos and top right the link and get link. Click on the get link. So click on share and click on copy link. So click on this and the link will be copied here. So you can go to your favorite social media site and paste the link, and you can see the photo link is pasted, and click on enter. So the photos will be opened in your browser or website. So this is photo the Ram Mandir of India, Ayodhya. So the photos link will be generated. So this is the way how to generate or shareable link on Google Drive photos. So thanks for watching this video and keep subscribe your channel. Build the skill.